morning, guys. Okay, another video on a Snowmobile Polaris 600 RMK HO. That's a 2006. So it looks like I burnt the belt. I was stuck, tried to get unstuck, and the track was not spinning when it was accelerating, was smoking a little bit. So let's look at it. More than certainly I have to replace the belt. So first thing you want to do is jack up your snowmobile, make sure the track is not touching the ground, and we're going to take things apart. Okay, let's go. Okay, make sure the track is not touching the ground. So I jacked it up, even added few logs. I might dig a little bit more underneath, but it's pretty much clear. Okay, next step. Open the front hood. I have a replacement belt right there. So then we're gonna open the side panel. It should be pretty much the same procedure on most of the snowmobiles. Okay, I'll remove the side panel. I'm always placing that screw back here. Give it like 4 or 5 turns and you will not lose it. There is your belt and your clutch system. So I'm not sure if you can see from here anything. Okay, we can definitely see that wear line. It's called hourglassing the belt. Rub my finger on it so you can visually see, but you also feel recess area. I don't know if you can see that from here, but it's slightly thinner here. So basically your clutch is going to spin or get loose every single time it touches that area, and you will hear that noise when you're running. It's like it's missing a, thanks for the voiceover, but I could call that the slippage, or maybe some people have other terms about that. But anyway, that's what's happening. So what you want to do is rotate your clutch so that you have access to that hole in that one without removing the battery. So now I'm going to use the L key, put that in, turn clockwise to spread the clutch and the outer portion of that bigger clutch. It will allow the belt to sink in, which will reduce the diameter, which will make it a lot loose, pretty loose. Then I should be able to remove the belt around the small clutch and then back out of the big clutch. So let's do that. Here we go. So by the way, as far as adjustment, the bottom of your cogs, yeah, right here, those teeth should be flush with the upper portion of the clutch. So it looks like the actual tension of the belt is pretty good. It should be about 1.25 inches. Don't have to measure that. It looks like it's a little bit more depending on the pressure, but it's flush the way it's supposed to be. Okay, see it's sticking right here. Put that here. Normally they're advising you to have that position in between the 11-hour and the 2-hour, so you have proper clearance. And you can see as I'm turning, the belt is sinking